Hello friends, welcome to Aquara IAS. So today we are going to discuss questions on English comprehension which is useful for UPSC CSAT prelims. So we'll move further. So before going further, I'd like to inform you that you can download the Hindu short notes PDF on the daily basis from our Telegram channel. So here there is a WhatsApp group number which we will conduct daily answer writing initiatives for regular practice, right? You can follow me on my Facebook page and you can subscribe my blogs for getting an interesting articles regarding the personality development and other UPSC related articles, right friends? You can join our Telegram channel for getting various kind of PDFs. So we will move further here. So today's our agenda is to discuss the English comprehension practicing with SSPS Search challenging the series 100% clearing the UPSC CSAT, right friends? So I'll present you the today's passage, so you can go through this passage, pause the video and try to attempt these questions, and before attempting these questions you can read out the passage, right friends? So first of all, understand the passage. The meaning of English comprehension is that you have to understand the meaning of the given passage, then only you have to attempt the answers, right friends? You should not evaluate your own answers here, right? So let me read out the passage for you. So a country under foreign domination seeks escape from the present in dreams of vanished age and finds consolation in visions of past greatness. That is a foolish and dangerous pastime in which many of us indulge. An equally questionable practice for us in India is to imagine that we are still spiritually great thought. We have come down in the world in other respects. Spiritually or any other greatness cannot be founded on lack of freedom and opportunity or on starvation and misery. Many Western writers have encouraged the notions that Indians are otherworldly, right friends? So we move further the passage because this is a little bit longer passage, right friends? So this is the continuation of the passage. I suppose that poor and unfortunate in every country becomes to so extent otherworldly unless they become revolutionaries, for this world is evidently not meant for them. So also subject peoples. As a man grows to a maturity, he is not entirely engrossed in or satisfied with the external objectivities of world. He seeks also some inner meaning, some psychological and physical satisfactions. So also with peoples and civilization, as they mature and grow adult, every civilization and every people exhibit these parallel streams of an external life and an internal life, where they meet or keep close to each other. There is an equilibrium and stability. When the diverse conflict arises and the crisis that torture the mind and the spirit. So we will move further the attempting the questions, friends, right? So let me take you to the questions here. So this is your first question. The passage mentions that this world is evidently not meant for them. It refers to the people who first option is here. There are three options, so you can choose the right option here, friends, right? So there are the correct codes here they are giving, so you can choose. The first option is seek freedom from foreign domination. Second one is live in starvation and misery. Third one is become revolutionarized. So which of the statements given below are the correct? So option A 1 and 2 only, option 2 2 only, and option C 2 and 3 only, and option D is only 3. So let me tell you the answer first. So how you will evaluate the answer here? So first of all, you should go by the elimination method. So becoming a revolutionary is not the right option, friends. So directly you can strike off this third option. So wherever you see the option number 3, you can strike off those options. So here we can easily strike off the option number C and option number D. So next we will left with only 1 and 2. Alright, so in first let us see about first, because second is present in both of the statements, friends, right? So let us see about the first statement. Seek freedom from foreign dominations. Yes, it is obviously correct statement. So our answer for this question will be option number A, that is 1 and 2, right, friends? So next we move for the second question. Consider the following assumptions. Option number 1, that is a country under foreign domination cannot indulge in spiritual pursuit. Second option, poverty is an impediment in the spiritual pursuit. And third option is subject peoples may become otherworldly. With reference to the past passage, which of the above assumption is or valid? So here are 4 options. Choose the correct one. Pause the video and try to attempt the question, and please do in the comment sections what is your answers, right, friends? So now let me tell you the answer. Answer for this question would be 1 is the right answer. On what basis I am telling this answer A will be the right answer? Because I have went for directly the third option, that is subject peoples may become otherworldly. So it is a wrong statement. So wherever you see the third option, so you can directly strike off that, and you can easily put the 1 as the right answer, because even the first statement goes right, friends, right? So for this reason this statement will goes correct. I mean option A will be the right answer. Next we go for the third question, that is the passage the thematically centers on, right, friends? The passage thematically centers on the state of mind of oppressed people. Second one, starvation and misery. Third one, the growth of civilization. Fourth, body, mind and spirit of people in general. So here you can answer this question by rereading the passage, right, friends? So if you got confused little bit, so you can go through for the rereading, friends, right? So here I can say option number A is the right answer. There will be no any explanation for this, because the answer lies in the rereading itself. Nothing scientifically is there in this, right? So next we move for the fourth question, that is according to the passage the torture of the mind and the spirit is caused by. Options here you have given the 4 options, that is you can read out here. So let me read out. Option number A, by the impact of foreign domination, and option number B, by the desire to escape from the foreign dominations and find consolation in visions of past greatness, and option number C, due to lack of equilibrium between an external life and an internal life, and option number D is the one's inability to either revolutionize or otherworldly, right, friends? So these are the 4 options. You have to choose a right one which is suitable for this, right? So now let me tell you the answer for this. That is option number C is the right answer, because it is directly given in your passage. On what basis the option number C will be the right answer, right, friends? So I can say option number C is the right answer, that is equilibrium between the internal and the external life, friends, right? So if you have any doubts, you can do comment section. So let me know your doubts, then only I can solve your problems, right, friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS, and please share as much as with your friends, right, friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video, right? Thank you very much. Have a great day.